Hey you guys, so this is gonna be a vacation vlog, but this is kind of like, because I don't want to tell you guys where I'm going yet, but it's like let's say it's a birthday vacation vlog, okay? Right now I'm driving. I'm about to go to the airport, and I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get to the airport, okay? You guys, I made it through check-in. Now I'm about to go through TSA. We're almost there. I'm gonna check back in with you guys once I make it through the security checkpoint. See ya later. Y'all, they got the dogs out today. You guys, I'm boarding the plane. The next time I'm gonna be checking in with you guys, I'm gonna be in Hong Kong. I'll see you guys soon. Brush my teeth, wash my face, get my wipes, wipe my armpits and stuff. It's been a long flight and I am beyond tired. So let me do this and get back at y'all. Yes, that's me.
Is this you?
Yes.
Okay.
You guys, it's been a long while, but I made it to my destination. I am in Bali in Indonesia. So happy. We made it, you guys. We made it. My driver's here. He came to get me. I'm so excited. Okay. And the adventure begins. It's been a long journey. I'm sweating. I'm so tired. The whole international flying is very tiring. Going through customs, going through everything. I'm exhausted right now. I just can't wait to go to the hotel and take a shower and just relax and just, you know what I'm saying? But whew, I'll check back in with y'all soon. Hey you guys, it's your girl Savvy Young, and I'm coming back at y'all with this. Pretty much it's gonna be a room tour, just a quick room tour. You guys seen, if you looked at the last video or wherever I'm gonna fit this footage into, I am in Bali, Indonesia. This is my birthday celebration. Ooh, ooh. I want to give you guys a room tour really quickly. This is the outside. Pretty cool. It's like a little jungle, right? So we're gonna go in. Here's my key. What's so cool about this is there's absolutely no lights on right now, right? It's no light in here. It's pitch black dark. But once I put this key, boom, once I put that key in there, all of the lights turn on in here. I think that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. That the power is connected to the damn key. This is the do not disturb. If I don't want nobody to bother me, I just hit the do not disturb. These are the master lights. This right here, they give you a little flashlight. Maybe if the power go off, I have no idea. They have these little storage, these drawers. They give you some flip-flops in there, down there. I'll probably use those when I go to the temple. They give you a robe. Now we're about to go into the bathroom. And I like how they have this big mirror so nice. This right here is the toilet. It has its like own door. I think that's pretty dope. The lights in there, separate from the shower. This is the shower. It's a walk-in shower. I literally came in here and got in the shower off the flight because I was so tired. You can see my little soaps and everything right there. I was like, I felt so dirty and like so tired. I was on the flight for like maybe like over 20 hours, maybe like a whole day, like split up in between the times. It was a lot. Anyways, they have the overhead. Woo woo. Hold on, here we go. That is nice. That's fabulous, right? I think that's pretty dope. Let's turn it the other way, and it comes out of this knob. And that one you can, I think you can take this off too. Can you? Oh, yeah, you can take it off. You can take that off too. That's pretty dope. Turn it and turn everything off. So that is the shower. I took a nice hot shower as soon as I got here. That's why your girl got her pajamas on, because I might call it a night tonight just to catch up on a little rest. I got my little my little pajamas on. I'm just loving this mirror. But anyways, this is the bathtub. And it's like literally in the middle of the bathroom. Let me step out so you guys can get a good view. It's a deep tub. I like big tubs, but it's a deep bathtub. Here, another big mirror. They give you a blow dryer, little dental kit, so that's cute. I haven't opened it, but I'm thinking it's a toothbrush in there. What is this? Sanitary bag, so maybe that's like the trash bag. They give you moisturizer. Oh, this is really nice. They give you, what is this? Q-tips, fingernail file, cotton swabs, a hair, a shower cap, toothbrushes. That's really nice. They give you 2 glasses. They give you complimentary bottle of water. There's your tissue, soap. This is the sink. Oh, they give you a little safe right here, just in case you want to put some stuff in there, put you a little code in there. Now we're going to go over to the room. This is the little air conditioner. This right here, oh, that's the little hallway from the door. These lamps, these lights, they give you like your little phone, your pen pad, unless you want to write, in case you want to write something. These lights are dangling. This is the bed. All my stuff is on it. Don't mind me. I'm still like, I told you guys I literally just got here. This is all the stuff for spas, special offers, room service. They give you a list of these, the breakfast list. Now we're gonna go over from that area to right here. They give you a flat screen, a little lamp, a desk area where you can do your work, a chair, those little steps to get you downstairs, low-key, right? It comes with a little refrigerator. They give you mugs, spoons, another complimentary set of bottled waters, more drawers. What is this in here? Oh, they give you a coffee maker, a tea maker to warm up if you drink coffee and tea. The heater's in there, you put the water in there. Oh, there's more glasses, and oh, this is nice. They give you tea and coffee and sugar and straws and stuff like that. Oops, that's nice. Here's another little lamp. This is just like a little area if you want to sit stuff on. They give you a little chill area, like a little couch. Here's another table. This mirror, hey. It's a little couch right here, just in case you want to kick your feet up, watch a little TV. You know what I'm saying? That is cool. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna take you guys to the outside. This right here is the curtain. It is a big window, so I want to step back so you guys can get a good view. And my room is connected to the pool, so I'm about to take you guys out to the pool. I like how it has two sets, so it's like you can close this part up here if you want like just a little sunlight, but you still want like low-key privacy, or you can just close the whole thing all together, and no sunlight, no nothing. Everything is just closed, like it's time to go to bed. That's how I'm about to be in a few minutes once I'm done showing y'all this room tour, because I got an early day tomorrow. I gotta get up early tomorrow. So let me take you guys outside. Look at this, looking like a tropical forest. You unlock it right here, and then you just open it up and you step outside. They give you a little seating area. You can see people walking by over there. You can see the river, other people's rooms. It travels down. That's the stairs, so if I want to step down, I can go in there. It goes this way. It goes down and it goes all the way around to the other side. It's really nice out here. It's a nice breeze. They give you a little blocking area. You can just sit right there, dip your feet in. This little lamp out here to just light it up so you won't be sitting out here in the dark. You can just sit here if you want and just chill. If you want to sit outside and watch TV from here, you have that ability to. You can see people over there in their pool splashing around. I don't know if you can see them or not, but if they wanted to, they can follow the trail and swim all the way up and through here. I love how these little trees are, and everything looks so tropical and so nice. It's a real nice breeze out here. So now we are heading back inside, and oh, let me close this door. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. This is just how I'm living for the next 5 days. What did I put my, oh, right here. Let me see. Yeah, it's about 6:31 Bali time in Indonesia. It's 6:31 p.m. On Thursday. It's October 31st. Happy Halloween, you guys. Yeah, so this is just pretty much it. I'm gonna be posting more videos of the trip and everything that's going on. Really, to be honest, I am so exhausted. I'm just really tired, you guys. And I'm probably gonna do some work on my computer, edit these videos, and I'm probably gonna go to sleep. I don't really plan on doing anything not tomorrow. I don't really plan on doing anything tonight because I'm getting up early and I'm going out tomorrow to go explore and different things like that. So tonight I'm just gonna be chilling in here, probably watch some TV, maybe order some room service or something, get something to eat. I'm so happy that I'm bringing you guys on this adventure, on this trip with me. But I just wanted to give you guys this quick room tour. You guys, tell me if you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, you guys. Have a good night.